Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Anjali.
Can you describe your outfit and how much does it cost?
Okay, most of it is thrifted actually. Corsets because I love corsets, and bolero sleeves because I like it, and this cargo. It was a cargo pant actually, and then I made it into a cargo skirt. And these are also thrifted. 500, 450, 250. These are Air Force. My uncle gave it to me. 8K. Yeah.
So like you're like color coordinated. Is this your favorite color?
Yeah, I mean I go mostly for neutrals.
Do you have any favorite places to shop from?
Um, I used to shop a lot from H&M and Zara, but then I've gone to thrifting a lot more now. Yeah.
Sustainable queen. Do you have any like fashion inspirations that you look up to?
So I really look up to this one person. I think even you know, Migma Lindo.
Oh,
I'm obsessed
she's
with
my
her.
friend.
Yeah, and my family is there. She's a YouTuber. I really look up to her, and also H.J. Evelyn and Erica. Yeah.
So mostly Asian fashion influencers. Are there any trends you like?
I think I really like both and corsets a lot, as you can see. Yeah, that's I think about it. Yeah.
And are there any trends you don't like?
You know the trend where the leggings and the socks over the legging things. Yeah, that I can't understand that. I don't like that.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Kartiki.
Can you describe your outfit and how much does it cost?
So this top I got it from Max for like around 200-ish. The skirt is my friend's, so I don't know how much it costs. And these Converse, I got these in 2017, so these were like around 2.5k at that time. And this Jola is something that I got from, I don't remember, but it was like some 300-ish. Yeah.
Do you have any fashion inspiration that you look up to?
I actually like Urfi Javed a lot. I mean, I'd have to say that. I mean, I understand that some of her looks are controversial, but that woman is actually experimenting and she's actually doing something with fashion. So I really do like her and look forward to looking more of her looks.
This one's gonna bring fire to the comment section. Are there any fashion trends that you don't like?
I think people should just actually stop following trends at all because it's just. You should have your personal style, honestly. Like, you shouldn't let other people dictate what you have to wear and what you shouldn't. So, I don't like fashion trends at all overall only.
Do you have any favorite places or brands to shop from?
I think everyone should actually start shopping from like the streets, like Kolaba, Bandra, thrift stores. You get like so many unique pieces there. Like people buy from like Zara, H&M. First of all, those are fast fashion brands, and then every other person is wearing the same thing. So why not just like buy from the streets where you get things for cheaper and that's also unique. So I think people should just like start buying from like streets itself.
Uh, budget queen.
Yeah.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Amanya.
Can you describe your outfit and how much does it cost?
This is a very casual fit. This is a frock and I'm wearing it as a top and I got it from my parents so it's free. And these are ripped jeans of course and these are for 3,000 and the shoes are for 5,000 from Skechers.
Any fashion trends that you wish would make a comeback?
I think the leg warmers, these that are very aesthetic and really cool.
Even I love leg warmers, but it's so hot in Mumbai.
Same, during the winters though, yeah.
Do you have any favorite places to shop from?
It's a very basic answer but H&M.
What do you think about luxury brands? Do you think luxury brands are worth the price or do you think they are superficial and for the label?
I think the label matters because that is why they're getting the sales and the customers, and they have built it that way. So yeah, I think the label matters and the prices are worth it.
Any trends you don't like?
I think I'm not really into harems. It did not fit me well. So yeah,
Not into?
harems.
Are there any trends that you do like?
I really like the bell-bottom jeans because it fits me very well.
So you really care about fitting, proper
Yeah,
fitting?
it matters to me a lot.